Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you a very easy recipe of coconut macarons and cookies without oven. For these scrumptious cookies, only 3 ingredients are needed. These cookies can be made easily without oven, and you can see here how chewy they are. So let's get started. For making these scrumptious cookies, I have taken 2 egg whites. 2 egg whites we have to take at room temperature, 1 cup of desiccated coconut, as you can see here, and half a cup of sugar. I have taken normal sugar, you can take castor sugar also. First step is we will mix sugar with egg whites. Mix with a hand whisk, then add desiccated coconut, mix properly, and then we have to cook it on flame. So first step is we have to cook it. So I have heated up a pan and added this coconut, egg and sugar mixture. We have to cook it on low flame. It will bind together. You will see that it will become a little watery because sugar will start melting, then it will bind together. Maximum 5 to 7 minutes we have to cook it, because it should not become hard also, then we will not be able to make cookies out of it. So here you can see, but we have to keep stirring it. Just 5 to 7 minutes we have to keep, and just these are the only ingredients that we need for these cookies. We don't need any other, we don't need baking powder or anything for these cookies. At this stage I'll turn off the flame and I will let it cool down. And now I will keep a pot for preheating. For that I have taken a big pot like this, and then I have spread salt at the bottom, and then I'm placing a wire stand. This salt you can reuse, like you can keep it, and whenever you have to do baking something in the pan, you can use it. You can reuse this salt, you don't have to discard it. So I will cover it and I will keep it on medium to low flame for 10 minutes. Till then our cookie mixture will also cool down. And now I have taken a plate, aluminum plate, and I am greasing it with oil and then placing a parchment paper or butter paper. And you can take anything for this because it doesn't need to be oven specific, so any steel plate or aluminum plate or lid will work for this. So it should be heat resistant, that's the only thing. So I'm taking this. Mixture is also cooled down, so I'll transfer it to a bag, food grade bag, or you can use piping bag also. Now I'm using a food grade bag and I have made a hole. You can use piping bag also for this. So we have to make it like this in circle shape, and then I'm shaping them a little bit. If you are using oven, you can preheat oven, and you have to bake them for 15 minutes on 180 degree. So if you have piping bag, you can use that. Mine gave up before making these cookies, so I couldn't use my piping bag. So you can use piping bag and shape them. So here you can see I'm using my hand as well as bag to shape them. And now these cookies are ready to go in the preheated pan or preheated oven, and I'll place them in preheated pan and I will place the lid. So you have to cover it properly with the lid, and for minimum 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes we can check once. For me it took around 45 minutes on low flame. So here you can see these are the cookies ready. So after 30 minutes you can check once, and I'll turn off the flame and I'll take out the cookies and let them cool down. Now batch, again I'll follow the same procedure. Now here the second batch of cookies is ready. Now I'm making flat ones. Here you can see I made flat ones, and then I will place it in the preheated pan. The ingredients that I showed you are enough for making 8 to 10 cookies, not more than that. So if you want to make more, so you have to make more, you have to add more ingredients accordingly and make the cookie mixture. So here you can see these cookies are also ready, and I followed the same procedure, and these also took around 45 minutes on low flame, but make sure you check after 30 minutes. So here the cookies are ready. Now these are cool and ready to be served, and you can make them on Eid. These are very easy to make and they taste really good, and if you are coconut fan, so anytime you can make these. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.